guys, Jackie and TT back here again with another video, and as you can tell, it's the exact same day as I filmed the Q&A opening, I'm opening questions for my Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions, you can go back to that video and ask me any questions and leave it in the comments down below. And yeah, so anyways, for today's video, I'm going to be doing a speed build of my micro nano blocks Caterpie and the Pokeball that comes with it. I got this for my birthday from one of my friends, which is pretty awesome, and because they know I like Pokemon, so they tried to get me Pokemon stuff. But anyways, this looks like, it doesn't look that hard to make. It looks like kind of like Lego bricks, but as you can see, these things are tiny. They're tiny. I don't want to take it apart because I got really frustrated making this because I'm not sure what it is about these, but they are kind of loose sometimes, so they'll just fall apart. And since they're so small, when you try and push it down, I accidentally push too hard on the pieces and they'll just fall apart. And it's really frustrating, especially because there's kind of quite a few pieces in here, and when you crush it, it just falls apart. So yeah, and so that's the Pokeball. The Pokeball is much easier to make than the Caterpie. The Caterpie was kind of hard. Also, the instructions for this was kind of confusing because it's at an angle. It's not either the top view. It's well, I guess there's not any other way for them to make the instructions, but it was a little bit confusing. Especially because this is the first time I'm building a nano blocks thing. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be building in this video. And before I start the video, before I start the speed building clip, I just want to, oops, I just hit the microphone. I just want to share with you guys a app called Pokemon Amino. If you guys don't know what that is, you guys probably do know what it is because I learned of this app from Super Duper Tutorials, Danny, and I watched her video on it. I'm like, oh, that is a pretty cool app, so I just want to share it with you guys too. So basically, Pokemon Amino is a Pokemon community app. You can share your artwork, your any kind of things you want to talk about Pokemon. There's forums where you can post things. There's chat rooms that you can chat about the anime, manga, any aspect of Pokemon. You can use it on Pokemon Amino. So I will just show you it real quick. Open it up, and so first there's it's kind of a mix between Twitter but Pokemon style. So you have your news feed, and there's the popular stuff, and then there's people who you're following and your latest stuff. And in this little sidebar, there you have your notifications, your chats, the chats that you join, and there's forums. So in the forums tab, there's different types of stuff. As I said, you can talk about the Pokemon anime, Pokemon manga, TCG, and the competitive Pokemon. And then there's some forums that you can ask about the community and the Amino community and stuff, which is pretty awesome. So anyways, if you guys want to follow me on Pokemon Amino, it is my username is Jackie and TT. So just exact same one as my YouTube channel. It's just Jackie and TT. I'll put it up here if you guys don't know, I guess. So yeah, but anyways, without further ado, let us get into the Caterpie nano block build. Let's go. Okay, so basically this is what the Pokemon Nano Blocks package looks like. There's a Caterpie and Pokeball in the front, and it says Pokemon X Nano Blocks at the top. I guess the X is probably just a divider, but that's the back. And yeah, I really like the packaging. It looks really awesome, and yeah, so let's just cut it open. Got my X-Acto knife here. And wait, if I just open it up, it didn't go all the way through. And then I'm just gonna pull out all the little packets of nano blocks. And wow, these nano blocks are really small. I thought they were gonna be just a tiny bit smaller than the Lego bricks. because from the outside of the package, you can't really tell that they're this small. But yeah, as you can see, there are different parts. There's the bigger size pieces in one bag, the black and white, these mini tiny little like 3-piece bricks, just a whole bunch of different bricks. So anyways, without further ado, let's get this build started. Woo!